RYOBI Bagging Kit Assembly Guide for 42-inch and 46-inch riding lawn tractor. Tools needed are a 15mm socket wrench, torque wrench, double-sided 12mm wrench, double-sided 13 and 14mm wrench, and a block of wood. The kit includes bagging blades, bagger bracket, square tube, counterweight assembly, hitch tightener plate assembly, cover frame, bagger cover, 2 bags, upper bagger tube, lower bagger tube, 2 hitch pins, and 2 clips. Step 1. Removing the cutting deck. Move the mower to a level surface and ensure the blade and gauge knob is down. Remove the start key and set the parking brake. Move the deck height adjustment lever to the deck release position. Disconnect the 2 power cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Pull the deck release handle out and rotate toward the back of the mower. Repeat on the opposite side of the mower. Lift the deck and slide forward to detach the deck clip from the J-hook. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Reverse the process to reattach the cutting deck to the mower. Step 2. Installing the bagging blades. Wedge a block of wood between the blades and the mower deck to prevent the blades from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using the 15mm socket wrench. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blade. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole and the 2 blade posts are inserted into their respective holes on the blade. Ensure the blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up toward the mower deck and not toward the ground. The straight sides should be aligned, and the blade should be flat against the blade posts. Replace the spring washer, then thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. Step 3. Installing the counterweight. Insert the counterweight assembly into the hitch point on the front of the tractor until the holes are aligned. Insert the hitch pin through the holes. Secure with the clip. Step 4. Installing the bagger. Remove the 2 bolts from the long side of the triangle plate on the square tube and set aside. Align the holes in the triangle plate over the holes in the bagger bracket. Reinstall 2 bolts into the holes and secure with nuts. Slide the hitch tightener plate assembly over the square tube with the lip of the plate facing upward and toward the bagger bracket. Insert the bagger bracket assembly into the hitch point on the rear side of the mower until the holes are aligned. Insert the hitch pin through holes and secure with clips. Slide the hitch tightener plate assembly over the square tube with the lip of the plate facing upward and toward the bagger bracket. Tighten the 2 nuts on the U-bolt to secure. Place the cover frame on top of the bracket shafts, with the openings on the cover frame sliding over the bracket shafts. Unfold the cover and place on top of the cover frame. Pull one of the back clips over the frame rail and secure it in place. Fasten the other back clip and proceed to fasten the remaining clips around the frame. Raise the cover all the way up and slide the bags onto the bagger frame. Lower the cover and secure using the elastic cord. Remove the mulch cover from the mower if installed. Lower the tractor deck to its lowest position. Install the upper end of the top bagger tube into the hole in the back of the grass catcher cover. Install the bottom of the bagger tube to the side discharge outlet by placing the opening over the tab on the mower deck frame. Hook the fasteners to the frame. Pull the top tube back out of the cover far enough to connect the 2 tubes together. Line up the hole in the bottom tube latch with the tab on the upper tube and push the bottom tube latch over the top tube tab to secure. Secure with rubber straps. Make sure the inlet sleeve is pulled out and the upper tube is completely inserted inside the bagger top. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579